Selling digital products has become a profitable online business. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you succeed. Step 1. Decide what digital product to sell. Popular options are ebooks, online courses, printables, and more. Step 2. Create your digital product. Use tools like Google Docs or Canva for ebooks and printables. Step 3. Set up an e-commerce platform. Consider Shopify, Etsy, or Gumroad for selling your products. Step 4. Price your product effectively based on competition and demand, with ranges from $5 to over $500. Step 5. Set up secure payment systems like PayPal, Stripe, or Square to accept payments. Step 6. Market your digital products through social media, email, affiliate marketing, and SEO. Step 7. Ensure that products are delivered automatically after payment. Most platforms will do this for you. Step 8. Provide excellent customer support by responding to inquiries and offering refunds if needed. Selling digital products is exciting and profitable. Start today, and with dedication, you'll see growth and success.